All right, here we are. It is tutorial time, brought to you by the Balloon Guys. It's my boy Jay. Well, people, it's time to get excited out there because I have two super cool next level creations just in time for Thanksgiving. It's turkey time, people. Take a look at that. Woo! Even Jay likes them, and trust me, his seal of approval means everything. And it's like the leap year every 4 years. All right, let's talk about this double bubble turkey trouble. So, 2 bracelets, quick and easy to make, perfect for parties. I'm going to show you these cool advanced version, yes, at 3 balloons. And then I'm also going to show you an even quicker 2 balloon version of it, just for that moment at the party where 10 kids jump in line and you got to crank out turkeys. So, first, you're going to need to make this one. I don't know what his name is. I got to look through copyright characters. I don't want to get sued here. We have a mocha brown 260, a teal 260, and a yellow 260. 3 balloons. First, we're going to take the brown balloon. This is where we're going to make part of the face, and we're also going to make that sweet bracelet here. And when the kid asks, but I want legs, you just have to say, sorry, I don't make legs. So, take the 260, inflate. I suggest using a pump. So, I would say we have a 7-finger tail. You can squeeze, burp it a little bit. We're going to make the 2 little loops that are going to be as cute cheeks. So 1, make a bubble as big as you want. I would say it's about a little over 3 fingers. Then squeeze, make another bubble. Additional size, same size, right there. Must be feeling the groove. It could be that coffee. I got them close to even. It doesn't always happen. Trust me. I would say go up 2 to 3 fingers, probably 3 fingers. I would say. I should know this by now. So, we're going to make a pinch twist, probably about a 1.5 finger bubbled. Twist the pinch twist. And we're going to come down, I would say, make a bubble about 2.5 fingers down. So this is 3 fingers, 2.5. Make it just a little smaller than the other bubble. Maybe a lot, maybe a little, I don't know. Make it as we go. Let's do this. So I twist it in, and there you go, that cute little easy structure. So now I need to make the bracelet. So think about how big you want to make the child's, how big the child's hand will be to fit. And I don't even twist off a bubble. Watch this. I take it and I pull it through the center. Look at that. Going nowhere. So now every side is covered to put the beak in the front. It's almost like the flower configuration that everything presses to the middle. So now you're going to go back about, I would say, 1, 1.5, 2 fingers at most. Make a bubble and 2 pinch twists. 1 pinch twist. When I said I was like, maybe I should tell them about exact measurements, but I'm saying, go with what the balloons tell you. Feel the balloon. Like I'm one with this thing right now. So it just says, that bubble's perfect. And nobody in line's gonna say a word. So, you got this here now. Next, we're gonna add on our beak, the turkey's beak. So, you don't need that much of it if you do this cool version I'm about to show you. So take the nozzle, tie it in around to that center part area in between the loops, and do a 3-finger bubble going out. Maybe 2 fingers. 2 fingers. Okay. And then 1 finger back. Just a smaller one, see that? So come out. And then come back in. Look, I just drag it through the center. Now, here's what I was going to tell you. From here, if you wanted to, if you just went to 2 balloon sculpture, watch. I take the yellow back to the 2 bubbles, and look at that. I can now make the back feathers by just making loops into those 2 pinch twists. See that? So easy, so easy. So 3, and then I probably have to blow this one up or just make smaller bubbles. But look, you'd have 3. Let me just do it, okay? It's got to be perfect. So take a look at that. I can pop the yellow, get rid of the brown and back. Watch, take my finger and I push down and pull. Push down and pull. And look, at that point, you're done. That's pretty cool for only 2 balloons, but you came here to get the hotness. So let's get rid of these. 'Cause guess what, people? I'm taking out another color. Let's take out the teal. Whew. Losing some lung power in my old age here. So squeeze. And just because I messed with this piece right here, I want to make sure that's locked in good. So I'm going to just twist off a bubble, any size. I call it security. So I lock it into the 2 pinch twists. You know, because I got that excess yellow that I popped in there. So these pinch twists have taken a beating, but once I put that little bubble in there, that now has 3 points. So I got 3 pinch twists and the bubble all locked in there. That thing's not going anywhere. Make a loop, twist it in to the 2 pinch twists. Make another loop. Twist it into the 2 pinch twists. Da, 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 da. And one more loop. I mean, look, I think I could get another one, you know? I could do another one. This is up to you. This is up to you. I want you to look good in front of your customers. Let out the air, line it up. Sometimes I can twist the cheeks in. Watch that, I'll twist them going forward. Just change the look up so it gives like more of a V shape. See that? And then you got the beak. And look, it only comes out right from the back of the head. It comes out about 2 fingers, and then I make those 2 pinch twists. And these 2 loops get pressed in with this muzzle and this bubble. So those 4 pieces are together, and it's a nice sculpture, and it'll look great on a kid's hand at your next event. Brought to you by the Balloon Guys. So, 2 places you get stickers. Oriental Trading Company, and Liz has Bada Boom stickers. So Bada Boom stickers, check it out. This one is from Oriental Trading Company. So I'm going to take the eyes right there. And I think this is super easy for line work, especially you do the 2 balloon version, throw the eyes on. I mean, this looks awesome for only 2 balloons. Okay, well, 3 balloons this one, but just even if this was yellow and you had the yellow here, 2 balloons and you still got that cool look, I'm telling you, this is a good design right here, people. Good design. So I'm not good at drawing, so I'm just going to put 2 little lines over there, the head. So that's the first one. Now, on to number 2 with gizzard. Told you, the Balloon Guys are not messing around when we tell them we're bringing quality, usable content. So, take the 260, tie it off. This is just 2 pinch twists, a little loop, a big loop. And then same configuration and back. So, I can make my loop for the head. Think about how big do you want that head to be. Maybe you want a giant one. I mean, it's up to you. You can use a 350 to make these designs big. But a loop, and if you really want the loop to stay, you don't have to do this, but take the knot and slide it through the center and the other side. Now, we're going to make 2 pinch twists. So, 1. I'm not getting big on size. I'm not worrying about the size. So 2 pinch to another pinch twist. Some people get too caught up in proportion size. I say all of it looks good. Make another loop for the bracelet. Now it's just a configuration from before. 1, 1.5, 2 fingers. bubble, 2 little pinch twists, because I call it extra security. 2 pinch twists. I'm the king of putting 2 pinch twists on everything. If it's the ear of a human, I do a loop and a pinch twist or 2 pinch twists, because if 1 pinch twist goes, whole face comes attached. No way. Ain't happening on my watch. Next, take a yellow 260, inflate, tie it into the nozzle. I mean, I don't even tie it. I just wrap it in for speed. You know, I got a lot of kids in line. I don't have time to tie. So I blow it up and rip it right in. It's good enough. It ain't going nowhere. Maybe do the beak, 2 fingers out, 1 in. I'll mix it up, make it a little smaller. And like before, look, you can take the yellow and use it to make the wings, but I'm going deluxe. Now, just to reinforce the concept that balloon guys are ready to do some cool stuff, I figured if you do red for the wings and back, you can use the excess for the gizzard. And that's sweet for line work. Look, I'm just saying, you could be like, this is Dr. Kids. This is Dr. Seuss land. And you can literally give a red beak, because in Dr. Seuss land, any color, you can use the red to make the wings, and then piece for the gizzard right there. I don't know how it's going to look, but just say Dr. Seuss, any color. You can do anything you want with Dr. Seuss. So, take a red 260, inflate. It's getting to me, people. It's getting to me. Just going to take it. Look, I'm not even going to tie it. Boom. See that? Look, it is not going anywhere as long as it's tight and good. Look at Jay. Look what Jay. Oh my God. You got to see what Jason's dropping next week. He just put it next to me. It is unbelievable. So I take the red, twist it into the pinch twists. Same thing again, those 2 pinch twists. Again, just like we did before. And you can also, you can blow up another balloon just to add more feathers in the back. So if you wanted more colors than red, maybe you want to do green, you want to do blue. It's up to you. You can do as many as you want. So I think you can get 1 in between here, 1 in between here. Look, you just have to go with the flow. But look how perfectly that's sitting there, right there. So watch. If you have scissors, use them. I'm going to pull it. Ah! Ah, that's why I always say, make 2 pinch twists. All right, so next, take the gizzard, what you got left, and I'm going to try to, I say use a pump for this, but I'm going to try to not use a pump. Put a little puff of air in, right down to the bottom, see that? And now, got your air in, just lock it, look, I'll hold it, and I wrap it around those pinch twists. All right, so there it is, locked in, looking cute for a quick design. All you got to do now, add the eyes. All right, I think I'm going to give the goofy eyes. I like mixing up the variety when I, passing out balloons to kids, mixing up the eyes, the different shapes of the eyes. And I'm not going to lie, the parents respond really well when they see stickers because it adds like a whole new look. So that's why I love using stickers on these. All right, so we got it in. Sticker eyes on. Let me put some little eyebrows in, and I'm sure all the face painters can come up with a better drawing than this of how I do it. So I don't know, maybe a little up and down. Maybe a little, you go up, down, and up. I don't know. You're better than me, okay? I know my role. I'm good at twisting. I'm not good at drawing them up. So, without further ado, double bubble, turkey trouble. These 2 balloons are super sweet. Don't forget the quick version where you use the beak to make the back wings. If not, you got what I call the easy advanced version. And if you really want to go all out, you can add extra feathers in between here. And look, if you want the turkey to have legs, put the loop here and then make feet that make 2 bubbles, go up through the center and back down, and there you go.
You have a yellow one right there.
Oh, I have a balloon. I could actually teach you since this is a tutorial.
It's interesting.
It's unbelievable, Got Steven Spielberg behind you. Just, watch me all the time. All right, so 2 loops, a pinch twist, and if the kid's really persistent, and you must have legs, boom. Like, why is his legs blue? Okay, he's nervous. He's got cold feet. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Fine. All right. Either way, though, quick versions. I hope you liked it. So tune in next week when Jason shows us the ultimate fate of these turkeys in balloon form. It's going to be awesome, folks. Next level design. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share our videos, like our channel, and we will see you soon. Bye bye.